Hey guys, it's the Frugalnista, just getting back from a late summer vacation. Yeah, we went back down to Virginia Beach, staying at the Hilton Virginia Beach oceanfront. A beautiful hotel. This is our second year staying here, and we really had a good time. It's a very nice facility. Now, as you can see from the title, I'm doing a clean with me video. When I enter a hotel, again, this is my second time coming here, so y'all know I must like it. It's a pretty nice facility. This is not a sponsored video. I wish it were. But as you come in, this is what I do when I first get to a hotel. I assess it to make sure it is clean. From the second we get out of our car, well, I will take a peek at that beautiful view. Okay, enough of that. I'm doing a clean with me. Let me show you how I clean my hotel room. I am about to sanitize up in this piece as soon as I find my bag. This time I did not have to go to the Dollar Tree. I bought my stuff from home. Just vlogging with y'all today. Y'all know that I like to come prepared. Bringing out the big guns. The big gun. If you don't have anything else, just go to the Dollar Tree and get one of these, okay? Another big gun. If you don't have anything, you can't find this at the Dollar Tree, but get you some Lysol disinfectant. And I'm getting ready to go to town. And I also like to bring y'all my own soap that leaked. Yeah. Bath and Body Works. It leaked a little bit, but oh well. I like to have my own soap. And I like to bring my own paper towels. They're somewhere around here. Where are they? Yeah, so these are my staples, guys. And most of these items you can find in the Dollar Tree. You can find that in the Dollar Tree, national brand. You can find the small packs of these in the Dollar Tree. And I just bought this for good measure. Alrighty. These are the most filthiest things in here. So we're going to sanitize this. Okay. And even though we don't use the phone, we're going to sanitize over here. Right, and any surface that actually touches, that anybody would touch. I'm getting ready to wipe down here. And again, I don't go crazy, but I do go in. It's just hard surfaces, okay? So basically, y'all have seen this room before. If you haven't, check out my last video when we were here last year. The next place I'm getting ready to go is to the bathroom. And again, it looks pretty decent on the surface, but when I wipe and I find hair and stuff, y'all, I just can't. I can't. And this is what makes, it might seem unrealistic, unreasonable to some, but whatever. This is what I have to do. So let me sit y'all here. Let me show y'all the bathroom first. Okay, just a normal setup. Again, we're oceanfront, which is so fun. All right, a little light there. Toilet, sink, and the bath. All right. So let me show you guys what I'll do. I will set y'all up over here. I'm gonna take my rings and stuff off first. So I just go in my Clorox cleanup wipes and do a quick wipe. Very quick. So this will be the soap that we use while we are here. All right, so we'll do that. Now, this isn't bad. The last time I was home when I went, I stayed at a Hilton in Jackson. That room was filthy. So this isn't too bad. I don't see any hair or anything, but anyway, we'll just do that. I'll put that in the trash. And then I'll just...
See the gym, it's nice.
Oh, you in the gym? Wow,
Yeah,
it's nice.
rolling.
We're on the floor with the gym. Maribella's going to check out the gym with her dad. Okay, so I just do that, right? So we've used up, I guess, 3 or 4 Clorox cleanup wipes. And
Can I say hi?
Maribella wants to say hi to y'all.
Where's the camera?
Over there.
Hi, YouTube.
And then I just do the hard surfaces again, places that, you know, people touch. This door handle. Yeah, ugh. Alrighty. Okay, and the next, I write down the sink already, but what I'm gonna do is put the stopper in the sink. I'm gonna run some hot water in here. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit of Clorox. Just a little bit. What that Clorox cleanup wipe didn't do, this stuff right here will do it, okay? You can smell that already. I'm gonna turn y'all this way. Can y'all see me? The toilet's here. I take about a couple of wipes like that. All right. I wipe off the top. I wipe off the handle. I wipe off the top. I lift it. Then I wipe the seat. I wipe under the seat. I wipe the actual toilet. I go down to the base. And then I take this one, throw it away. I repeat. This time the handle. The seat. And the top. So that is good to go. Okay. And then I take a paper towel. Hold on a minute. And we leave these paper towels here. These came from home also. But like I said, this stuff you can find from Dollar Tree if you're going somewhere, and like if you're traveling by plane. We drove down, so it was no problem me bringing this stuff. As a matter of fact, it saved me a trip to the Dollar Tree, even though I did go inside the Dollar Tree. So I take, here we go, a paper towel. I take a few paper towels. And this soapy Clorox water, I put my hands and the paper towel in here. I wring it out. Again, my hands have been, sanitized with that pure Clorox and a little bit of water. And then I just re-wipe the top and the seat. Okay, so that's good to go. I think that's really good. I am going to take some more Clorox cleanup wipes. And I'm going to do a wipe down of the tub. Now, because I bring shower shoes, I'm not really concerned about this. I don't sit in here. I just make sure, everything has been kind of wiped down, like the stuff that you have to touch. I bring body wash, so we don't even use soap. So that soap dish doesn't mean anything to us. But then again, I just wipe it all down, guys. That's one. Couple more. Around a little bit of water. Just a little bit of that Clorox.
What's that doing?
Yeah, we switched that now. Okay. Now with this Clorox, I'm going to wipe down the floor part real quick. And again, far as rooms go, this is pretty clean, guys. That's how it looks. Okay. It's cleaner than most. And I'll follow up with another and just re-wipe my way out. I'll leave that here. Go. Okay, so I'm going to wipe my way out, okay? All right, guys, that's how the Frugalnista cleans a hotel room. Boop. Okay, now I'm getting ready to show you how I do our beds. Y'all come on in here with me. My husband has found a friend. Artie is very quiet on camera, but he is very sociable. I know it's probably somebody he knows. I told him he should run for president. Your dad found somebody he knew?
No, we just said hi.
Oh, okay. Listen to him. He out there talking like he know these people forever. Love it, love it, love it. The yin and the yang. I'm quiet. He's vocal. All right, y'all, let me show what I do with our beds. We have 2 queen beds in here, but this time around we ordered a, what do you call it?
Rolly bed.
a rollaway bed for Mirabella. The girls, again, one night, them in the bed, you know, it's cute and all, but we got a rollaway bed for Mirabella. I would love to have a suite, but this Hilton does not have suites, you know. But I'm going to show you what I do to our beds. If I didn't show you the room, I mean, it's a real quick room, very basic. Okay. So let me set y'all up here. Is this your dad's hat?
That's mine.
Oh, it's cute. Alrighty. Now, sunglasses. This is what I bought from home. This will be, you got this bed, right, Magnolia?
Yes.
Okay. Give me some lotion. All right. All of the comforters that I use are, you know, our old comforters that have been washed. You know, on bedding, this was Mirabella's comforter way back when. Y'all remember this. She was into zebra print and pink. This was some comforter I picked up when we were on vacation before. Big Lots. I think I might have paid $6 or $7 for it. Came back home, washed it, and this is what Artie and I would be sleeping on top of. Now Artie doesn't care. He walks around here with his shoes off. And 9 times out of 10, whatever I'm doing is probably in vain, but whatever. Oh, these are beach towels too, guys. I know that downstairs we get beach towels from them, but I bring these actually to sleep on. Like, I like, you know, I don't bring my own pillows. If I could, I would. But if I'm gonna sleep on a pillow, I'll sleep on top of this. I know you Mirabella bought their own pillow, so we good to go with that. And for good measure for her, she will get a towel also on those other pillows. There we go. The only thing I'm waiting on now is for Mirabella's bed to come, and she will be using this. Oh yeah, this will be our blanket. Artie and I will sleep over this. This is Mirabella bottom. And her blanket is somewhere over there.
Yep.
Oh, here's her blanket and here's her pillow. All right, guys, bye. I will see y'all when we're actually having fun. Again, it takes me about 30 minutes, but hey, that's peace of mind for me. Now I need to unpack my clothes. Bye.